Hey, how's it going, everybody? Here at WesSpur Tree Equipment. Just wanted to talk about a couple of the new SwivaBiners. Omni SwivaBiner 1.1 is available from Rock Exotica. I prefer oval shape carabiners, so I was really stoked when they came out with the oval design for this. They got a single sheet one, so you could use two of these, build out a nice 3-to-1. You do have the capability to have some prusik tending progress capture there. So if you're going to use small prusiks, make sure you're there to tend that prusik, keep it from going in between the cheeks. And then we have the double shift. So two of these, you can make a nice, sleek, compact set of fours. Both Omni SwivaBiners have a 23 kilonewton capacity, or max tensile. And again, on the double, the Beckett, thicker material, 15 kilonewton rating. So you can make a sweet set of fours for pickoffs, light duty cabling, etc. A couple of these would be really nice and slick for a Z-rig setup. Again, available at WesSpur Tree Equipment.